Hi everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Gucci GG Marmont bag in the small size. In today's video, I'm going to cover the details of this bag, specs, sizes, and pros and cons, wear and tear, what can be fitted into this bag. I got this bag in 2017 in May. It's about 7 years, so it is a fair time back to do a review now. And you can see that this is like black chevron, the matelassy chevron stitching all over it, and with a little heart at the back. Some of them have a little red heart, but mine just like a black heart. And it looks really cute because sometimes I wear the bag on this side and it still looks quite cute because of the heart. And then at the front, so it's just the iconic GG logo in brass hardware. And then there's a tag at the front. There's a little thing there, just push it up and then lift and to open the bag up. And again, this bag just has one compartment. Oh, that's the dust bag. And with just one compartment, and in this flesh colored lining, microfiber lining. This is not real suede, so just a synthetic material. There's a little leather tag, says Gucci on it, with made in Italy, and then there's a zip inside which has all the receipts and the little leaflets telling you the history or whatever with the Gucci, and with a little bit of leather in there for repairs. And then to close, just push that down and then it closes. And then the bag has this brass metal long strap, but can be doubled up as well, similar like the Chanel double flap at the top. It's got 4 eyelet holes there, so the chain can be extended to make this into a crossbody bag. Or double it up as an underarm bag, or sometimes, and you can just has the chain dropped into the, and then have maybe a clip fix it, and then it just becomes a over the arm bag like that. So that can be easily done. So this bag is super versatile, and it's been one of these Gucci best sellers for many years, and a very desirable bag. And I bought this in Harrods in 2017, so that's my receipt there. And I paid for, you see, £1,210 back in those days. So price for today is £2,070. That's almost £1,000 more expensive than when I got it 7 years ago. So it's almost like, but I think last year, the year before, I think it was still 1,800. I think they might have just had another price increase for these. And the size, this is the mini size. I'm not sure why they call this mini, but because this is quite a generous size. Width is 26 centimeters from here to here, and the height is 15 centimeters, and then the depth is 7 centimeters. You can see it's slightly wider on the bottom but narrow to the top, and on the bottom just like one flat smooth calf leather panel, and same is on the other side. And but the stitching, you can see, is still nice and plump. And I used to use this bag so much, but you can see the leather is still quite nice and shiny. This bag, it weighs 0.648 kg, so it's about 648 grams in weight. And the shoulder strap, once you doubled up, the drop is about 30 centimeters. And once it is extended into a crossbody bag, the drop becomes 55 centimeters. So it's very generous, because the back strap, it it's quite long, because sometimes I prefer it to sit up slightly a little bit higher than, than this drop, maybe just by 10 centimeters shorter for me, but I can always fix that myself and just tie a strap, shorten it myself, tie them inside. But this sort of drop would fit loads of different body shapes and sizes, so which is quite versatile, quite handy for that. The pros and cons of this bag are there isn't that many cons, and this is all pros, because this bag, it would just all praises since I've got it. It can be adapted into so many different ways, like a crossbody bag, under the arm bag, or a little just handheld bag if you want to. And then, so the way how to use this bag is endless. And also, if you really wanted to, and you can use as a clutch, if it gets the straps. Just get them inside like this. Get the straps and into the bag. Close it, and it can just be used as a clutch. So I know it's a bit, you can still see the hardware there, but still, who cares if you want to just put it under your arm. And you can see that I've got it for 7 years. I used to use it quite extensively. You can see there's hardly any scratches or wear and tear, but obviously there are the minor scratches, but you can see on the bottom is more, because I used to use this for work, but there's some scratches on the side, but it is inevitable. But you can see that under just normal daylight here, you can see the leather is still lovely and shining, and it's super smooth, and the chevron padding and the stitches is still nice and plump. It hasn't collapsed at all, and the back is the heart is still nice and plump there, and has all the dimensions there. But if I have to find a con, I would say that if it would be nice if they have a pocket, because I always prefer a pocket, especially if you travel on the underground and you have your pass there. Used to be the Oyster card, and you just can slide in there, so you don't have to constantly reaching into your pocket, reach your purse, so you can just put it there. But these days you can just pay with your phone, and it's not really relevant that much anymore. But still, I prefer a little bit of a pocket just on the bag, but it doesn't really matter that much, because this bag is really easy to open and close. So you can just push it up and lift, and then snap, and it closes. This bag is very, very secure. That's why I love it so much. And for a while during COVID, for the past 2 or 3 years, I haven't been really using this bag that much. Occasionally, probably I haven't really used this bag for more than 5 times a year. For a while, I've been thinking that should I sell it, or should I sell it for something else, or take it to a consignment store in London and just something that I would use more. But I look at, again, this is one of the classic bags, and from the price point of view, yes, I didn't pay extortionate prices for it, but however, I mean, look at this. This is, the quality is not less than the Chanel classic flap, so this is a very, very versatile bag and classic design. Love the Gucci double GG there. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep this, so I'm not going to sell it, and I'm going to keep this in my wardrobe, and then I still just treasure it, and when I want to have it, wear it, and then I still have in my collection. So yeah, and I just do love this bag, and it's still quite popular. But I think because with the Gucci Marmont range, there's the camera case, there's loads of different sizes, but I think this one is more versatile than the camera bag, because the camera bag looks a bit more casual. For example, you can take it for a formal occasion, but the camera bag just looks a little bit more casual, and but you can also wear this on a casual day and to a smart occasion or to a wedding, to a party, or so. But they have so many different sizes. But if you work, I think definitely this one is more useful or more versatile than a smaller size. The smaller size, even though it can still hold quite a lot of things. But next I'm going to show you what can be fitted into this. So if I just open the bag, so I'm going to show you what can be fitted into it. So the first thing to go in is my phone. Okay, put another phone in there. Then my purse again. My key pouch. And then my inhaler, lipstick, peel box, and my compact powder case. And then my sunglasses, so all go in there. So you can see that it still has loads of rooms left. In the summer, if I want to, I can put a little fan in there and I still be able to shut the bag, no problem. So you can see the side of the bag and the bottom. And now the bag has some weight, which is quite nice. So you can see that that's how it looks. So I do love this bag. It's just so classy and just so beautiful. And it is, if for a day, if you feel like, oh my god, it's raining out there, you don't want to trash your Chanel classic flap, maybe you can wear this Gucci one. And yeah, so there's just tons of things I can put in there. I mean, probably I can put another lipstick in there, it would still go in. So yeah, there's loads of rooms. You certainly can put a Kindle or a notebook. For example, if I get rid of the fan, and then if I put my Osprey notebook in there, you can see that is in, and then put the sunglasses back on top. Voila! No problem. So it's closed. So this bag is super handy to have if you go out shopping, go to work, and smart or casual occasions, weekends, and just so go on holidays. It just the occasions can be using this just like endless. That's why I love this so much. And if you consider of buying a classic flapper bag like this sort of shape, I definitely recommend the Gucci one, even over the Fendi one, because I just always find that this is, on price point, this is still lower than the Fendi one, and then the quality is super good. And this is after 7 years of use, and even though the past 2-3 years haven't been as much, but still you can see that, for 4 or 5 years I was using this extensively, and the shape still holds it, the hardware is still nice and shining, it never got tarnished or never been oxidized, and the strap's still holding it quite well, and it's nothing really bad to say about this bag. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed my review of this Gucci GG Marmont black leather bag, inside small. And this is such a great bag, and I hope the details that I shared with you in my review today would help you for your future purchase. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll carry on to do more bag reviews from my own collection. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.